Hello, my dear kutties. Today I'm going to tell about the story The Great Elephant. Here you go. One day, an elephant wandered into a forest in search of friends. He saw a monkey. Elephant said,
Will you be my friend?
Monkey replied,
You are too big. You can't swing from trees like me.
Next day, Elephant met with a rabbit and asked.
Please make friendship with me.
Rabbit said,
You are too big. You can't play in my burrow.
He went to a frog.
Please make friendship with me.
Frog said,
How is it possible? You are too big. You can't leap about like me.
Elephant was upset. A fox appeared. Elephant asked to her.
Will you be happy to have a friend like me?
Fox said.
Sorry, sir. You are too big.
Next day, the elephant saw all the animals were running. Elephant asked to Fox.
What is the matter?
Fox replied,
There is a lion and he is trying to kill all of us.
All the animals are running away to hide. Then the elephant went to the lion and said,
Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat up all these poor animals.
Lion replied.
Mind your own business.
The elephant had no choice. He kicked the lion. The frightened lion ran for his life. The elephant back to the forest and announced the good news to all animals. All the animals thanked to him and
You are just the right size to be our friend.
so, my dear kutties, the moral of the story is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Bye bye.